Welcome back. People in the state are up in arms against the attack over Nilesh Gaonkar. Individuals and NGOs are together with only one demand: arrest the culprit. However, new DGP of Goa, Aditya Arya, has assured full support from the police to solve the case.
Saturday witnessed a lot of protest and agitation against the lethal attack on Nilesh Gaonkar. Support for Nilesh is growing from all sides. Newly appointed DGP of Goa, Aditya Arya, personally met Kaure Adivasi Bachao Samiti President Nilesh Gaonkar on Saturday. Nilesh is admitted in hospicio. He was attacked by some unknown person at Verna Industrial Estate on Thursday. Nilesh is provided with a special room and a special security at the hospital.
And we have decided that we should have a joint vigilance committee for implementation of the government order, which was issued on 17th of March 2011. And they'll get full support from the police.
On the other side, Ivo Falero, an activist from Kaure, held a token hunger strike on Saturday. He is annoyed with the attack on Nilesh. He has demanded immediate arrest of culprit and closure of illegal mines at Kaure.
What I want is that the collector issues order to the police to immediately arrest the culprits and the people behind those culprits. The collector should check why that illegal mine, which was supposed to be shut, is still operating.
Meanwhile, all NGOs addressed a press conference in Madgaon on Saturday. They claimed that police and politicians are equally responsible for the attack.
जर मायनीचेर जर आमचे गांवचे लोक आमी जर वसत जाल्यार इमिडिएटली अटॅक जाता आनी हाजेर आतां इतले अटॅक जावन सुद्दां कोणाकूय अटॅक जावना तुमकां अशें दिसता की सरकार हातूंत भितर इनवॉल्व आसा आमकां सगळ्यांक आतां भंय पडले आसा कित्याक आमी आतां सगळे खंय तरी कामाक वचपाकूच भितात आनी आमचो गांव आतां जर आमी नश्ट जालो जाल्यार आमकांय सगळी भंय आसतली आनी आमची फुडली पिळगी येणाची पिळगी आसा ताका लागून आमकां आमचो गांव सांबाळून दवरपाक जाय उदक आमचें सांबाळून दवरपाक जाय.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Banauli MLA Mickey Pacheco has revised his disqualification petition against Churchill Alemao before the Speaker of Goa Legislative Assembly. This petition seeks disqualification of PWD Minister Churchill Alemao and Kurtori MLA Alexio Reginaldo under the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India. Mickey claimed that SGF merger is illegal.
The petition mentions that Churchill Alemao and Alex Reginald voluntarily gave up the membership of Save Goa Front and defied the directives of SGF in matter of support to the Congress-led government. Earlier, Mickey had tried to withdraw the petition, but Speaker had turned down the application on the grounds that the petitioner has no right to withdraw the petition once filed.
And among this, in the college petition, I officially gazetted copy by Sulu. Save Goa Front party is still existing. Sample this plan Amuran. That means the party is existing. And therefore, the merger of Save Goa Front, Mr. Churchill Alemao and Regional Lawrence, illegal. Therefore, I prayed before the Speaker to disqualify both the MLA of Save Goa Front.
Mickey stated that the Save Goa Front is very much alive and continues to be a political party. He expressed full faith in the Speaker that he will disqualify both the legislators.
Why? I don't think in this matter, this is a very clear matter. I don't think the Speaker will have to delay and deny here justice.
On the other side, Churchill said that Mickey lacks good judgment on his decisions and his actions to revise the petition proves it. A reporter in Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
1,000 people from Goa will join Ramdev Baba's fast unto death at Delhi from 4th June. As a part of anti-corruption movement, a minimum of 500 people will join a chain hunger strike every day at Azad Maidan in Panji from the same day.
Bharat Swabhiman Goa wing addressed a press conference at Panji. Joint convener of Goa State Kamlesh Bandekar said that at least one representative from every village of Goa as well as country will join the hunger strike at Delhi.
ह्या आंदोलनाक सपोर्ट करपा खातीर गोंयच्यान आमी कमीत कमी 1000 आमचे लोक जे आसात गोंयचे नागरीक आणि भारत स्वाभिमानचे सदस्य सहभागी जावपा खातीर दिल्ली पावपाचे आसा 4 जुनाच्यान आणि ते सुद्धा स्वामीजी बरोबर आमरण उपोशणाक बसतले आणि गोंयान आझाद मैदानाचेर ह्या आंदोलनाक सपोर्ट करपा खातीर आमी धरणे आंदोलन जे आसा ते धरपाचे आसा हांगा धरणे धरतले आमी कमीत कमी प्रत्येक तालुक्यासून प्रत्येक दिसा 500 लोक अशा पद्धतीन साखळी उपोषण करपाचे आसा.
Kamlesh said that union government has failed at 3 instances to meet the 3 demands, including initiative to eradicate corruption, bringing back black money stashed in foreign banks and death punishment for corruption.
हे आंदोलन अंतिम टप्प्यान व्हरोन सरकारा कडसून ह्यो गोष्टी करून घेवपा खातीर म्हणून स्वामीजी आमरण उपोशणाक 4 जुनाच्यान बसता आणि संपूर्ण भारतांतल्या प्रत्येक नागरिकाक हे आव्हान आसा की जो तुमचो आमचो पैसो ह्या भ्रष्टाचारी राजकारण्यांनी लुटोवन जो व्हेल्लो आसा तो परतून भारतान हाडपा खातीर आणि जी लूट सध्या चल्लेली आसा ती थांबोवपा खातीर अशा प्रकारचे मोठे आंदोलन केल्या शिवाय आमकां हे साध्य जावचें ना. तेच्या खातीर तुमकां सगळ्यांक आव्हान आसा की तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी ह्या आंदोलनान पूर्ण सहभागी जावचे, तन मन धनपूर्वक ह्या आंदोलनाक सपोर्ट करचो.
A reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
The Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch doesn't want any changes made to the current policy of medium of instruction. They say the issue is being decided politically to satisfy a minority group.
The Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch has opposed the idea of having meetings in Delhi to decide on the issue of medium of instruction.
हा वेळपर्यंत आमकां आमंत्रण येवना किंवा कोणे फोनूय बी करूना आनी ताचे बद्दल आमकां कांय व्हडलें दिसूना. दिल्लीन सुद्दां आमी वचची नाशिल्लीं. आमची हो सगळी जे आमचो जो विचार आसा आमचे जे कितें म्हणणें आसा त्या बद्दल आमी ह्या पयलींच मेळिल्लीं आमची प्रमुख जी कमिटी आसात आनी तेन्ना आमी एक ठाम असो निर्णय घेतिल्लो की ह्या हातून आमी सहभागी जावपाचें कारणूच ना.
The Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch is opposed to the idea of discussing the medium of instruction issue by political consensus.
प्राचार्य माधव कामत समिती नेमली ताजो रिपोर्ट ताणें एक्सेप्ट केला गव्हर्मेंटान. तर तो रिपोर्टूय हेंच सांगता की कोंकणी मराठी माध्यमाच्या शाळा ज्यो आसा प्राथमीक स्तराचेर तांकांच अनुदान दिवपाक जाय, बाकीच्या खंयच्याच शाळांक अनुदान दिवपाक जायना अशी शिफारस आसा. हें धोरण जर ह्याच सरकारान घेतलां आनी गेले कित्येक वर्सां जर चालू आसा, देशान जर इतलीं वर्सां चालू जर आसा जाल्यार ताजेर सर्वमान्य तोडगा काडपाचो प्रश्नच येना. त्यामुळे हें जें आसा ही दिशाभूल आनी टोलवाटोलवी चल्ल्या अशें आमकां दिसता.
काँग्रेस आपले दृश्टीन पळयता की मायनॉरिटी मेजॉरिटी हो इंग्लिशीचो मुद्दो काडला कोणें तर डायसिसीन सोसायटीन काडला. डायसिसीन सोसायटी चर्चाचे सकयल आसा म्हणून चर्चान काडला असो अर्थ जाता. म्हणून हे मायनॉरिटी मेजॉरिटी तांकां वोटां खातीर इट इज पॉलिटिकल इश्यू. तो पॉलिटिकल इश्यू तांणी सॉल्व करपाचो, तो हे प्राथमीक शिक्षणा कडेन आनी मिडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शना कडेन कन्फ्यूज करपाचो ना.
The Manch also mentioned that they will submit a memorandum to CM on 16th May. They have also decided to have public meeting at Taluka and Panchayat level by end of this month. Our reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.